This is one of the most iconic skylines in the world, Marina Bay Sands in Singapore.
It's one of the most expensive standalone buildings ever constructed, costing nearly $6 billion.
But this building is a money-making machine, generating billions in revenue. How? Is it just a hotel? Or is there something deeper hidden inside? The truth is, Marina Bay Sands is something else entirely, disguised as a hotel and a landmark. It is an integrated resort, and at its heart is a massive, hidden casino.
This casino is the real money machine. It's the primary economic engine for the entire $6 billion project.
But for decades, gambling was illegal in Singapore. The government feared the social problems it could create. So they made a rule. To enter the casino, any local citizen must pay a $150 entry levy.
The goal was to discourage locals and instead attract high-spending tourists and foreign VIPs. But to attract the world's elite, you don't just build a casino. You must build an icon.
The design itself is an engineering marvel. The three towers are not straight. And resting on top is the 340-meter-long SkyPark, longer than the Eiffel Tower is tall.
Its most breathtaking feature is this 67-meter cantilever. It's one of the largest in the world, hanging in mid-air with no support. The entire SkyPark is held together by a massive steel megatruss, lifted into place in 14 separate segments.
They were lifted 200 meters into the air using a heavy lifting technique called strand jacking. But there was a huge problem. Tall buildings are designed to move. Each of these three towers sways independently. So how do you put a rigid 340-meter-long structure on top of three moving towers? These joints act like bearings, allowing the SkyPark to slide freely as the towers move underneath it. They can absorb up to 500 millimeters of movement, ensuring the SkyPark never breaks apart.
This view is absolutely incredible.
It feels completely unreal up here.
The infinity effect is a clever trick. The water spills over the edge into a hidden catch basin below, from where it is pumped right back into the main pool, creating a continuous, vanishing edge.
But the government's condition was that this couldn't just be a casino. It had to be a family-friendly resort.
So, they built the iconic Art Science Museum to host world-class exhibitions.
They built one of the most luxurious shopping malls in the world, complete with an indoor canal and traditional sampan boats.
And for business, they built Southeast Asia's largest convention center.
Marina Bay Sands is not just a building. It's a perfectly designed economic ecosystem.
It's a piece of architecture designed not just to be beautiful, but to be a perfectly engineered money machine.